Does your Dyson sound like this? If so, it needs to have the filter cleaned up. So when it sounds like that, you all see this blinking. It says filter. The filter is right here. So the instruction is 1, you can twist it off, and then 2, just pour water into it to wash it and wait for 24 hours till it dries completely. Then, that sound will go away. So let's take a look. So just twist this off. All right, and let's take a look at it. So it's fairly dirty. It's a bunch of stuff stuck on it. And here you see the icon of a faucet. That means you can water. You can just wash it with tap water. It's fairly dirty. The inside is kind of fine, and you see the faucet icon again, so it tells you to pour water in there, and you can pour water on the sides too, but probably not here, I'm guessing. Just wash it clean and the sound should go away. Let's try it. Alright, that's it. That's what we're instructed to do, and then I'll let it dry for 24 hours and then give you an update. Alright, now it's been more than 24 hours, and this filter has been dry for quite a few hours. So let's put this back. Alright, twist. Alright, now it's in place, and let's see. Alright, that works. And let's see if it still makes the noise on max. As you can see, it doesn't make a noise, and this filter light is not on. So this has been fixed.